This is how to transfer crypto from your ByBit account to your MetaMask wallet. That implies that you can easily move any crypto from your ByBit account to any wallet of your choice. It can even be your trust wallet. Ensure you watch this video to the end. You'll be able to access my 11 apps that will give you huge sign-up bonuses that are worth over $277, irrespective of your country. Another thing that you get to discover towards the end of this video is my YouTube training offerings. Ensure you watch this video to the end. But how do you transfer your crypto from your ByBit exchange account to your MetaMask wallet? Let me show you. Don't forget to sign up to ByBit. Ask JOFA is my sign-up bonus code. You'll be able to get $50 sign-up bonus, and you'll be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit welcome rewards. You can see this is my ByBit app. You need to launch your ByBit app and your MetaMask app either on desktop or on your phone, and you can see this is my MetaMask wallet. It's currently at zero balance. For this transfer to take place, you have to decide which network do you want to use, and it all depends on your crypto. So you have to prepare where the money is going to. That is on MetaMask. For the purpose of this video, I'll be transferring Binance native token, which is BNB. That implies that I will be using Binance Smart Chain Network. But you can always change your network. On MetaMask, this is where you change your network. You can see different network, and you can add a custom network here. Ensure you subscribe to this channel to see different videos I've made on how to use MetaMask. So I already have Binance set up already on MetaMask. All you need to do is to set up your network. You can also add your tokens. I want to transfer BNB. I've already done that. So I will go back to my ByBit exchange app. I'm on my ByBit exchange. For you to know where your assets are located on ByBit, you click your asset. You can see I currently have BNB this amount. So for me to transfer this BNB to my MetaMask wallet, all I need to do is to click withdraw. So I will click withdraw. So you can see under withdraw, these are the current cryptos I have that I can transfer from. I'm transferring BNB. I will tap BNB. What we are doing is on-chain transfer. If you want to learn how to do internal transfer, that is between ByBit to ByBit, you can watch this video. The link of the video will come out here. Watch this video later. If you've not selected the crypto, you click this arrow to select the crypto. This arrow will give you a list of the crypto that you have funds in. Since I'm transferring BNB, the most cost-effective option for me as at the time of this video is for me to use BNB chain network. So I will go back to my MetaMask wallet to pick the destination wallet address for BNB on MetaMask, and you can see I'm currently under Binance Smart Chain, and that is what I want to use because I'm transferring BNB from ByBit to MetaMask. When you are using MetaMask, all these cryptos or any cryptos at all under any network shares the same wallet address. So to copy the wallet address for BNB or MetaMask under Binance Smart Chain, you just copy this wallet. You click copy. This is the wallet address we are going to use. So you go back to ByBit. You go back to ByBit. All you need to do is to paste BNB wallet address. I've copied this BNB wallet address under BNB chain. So I'll just click here and paste the wallet address. You can see this is the wallet address. Then you come down to select the network. You can see it has auto-detect the network because we are transferring Binance native token and you have to use Binance network. So you tap this. So you scroll down, you tap inside here to select the amount you need to transfer. You can see the minimum you can transfer is this 0.0002. I'm transferring all this amount. I will tap maximum. I'm transferring all that amount. So you can now look at all the transactions together. You can see we are transferring BNB to MetaMask. This is the BNB wallet address on MetaMask under BNB chain network. We've selected the same network here because it must be the same network. That is Binance chain network BEP20. That is the same thing that we selected on MetaMask, and this is the amount we're transferring, and this is the charges here. That is withdrawal fee. Make sure the wallet address is correct. When everything is okay, all you need to do is to click withdraw. You tap withdraw on your phone. Withdraw. This is the description. On chain withdrawal, we are transferring BNB using Binance Smart Chain Network BEP20. This is the wallet address. This is the amount and this is the fee. If you are sure of all this detail, you just click confirm. You need to do security verification to be sure that you are the one doing the transfer. It's not that somebody is stealing your funds from ByBit. So to send code to your email, you click get code. You go and pick this code and you come back to conclude the transaction. So you tap, you drop the code, you pick the second verification through your authenticator. You click paste, you click confirm. The transaction is going. Look at it. You can see withdrawal application submitted. You just click OK. Then you now go and monitor the transfer on your MetaMask and it will be instant. You can see the funds is already in your MetaMask wallet. Look at under BNB, look at it, 7.12. So this is how to transfer from ByBit to your MetaMask wallet. In this case, I transfer Binance native token BNB from ByBit to my MetaMask wallet. You can now move your crypto from ByBit to your MetaMask wallet. You can use the same principle for any secure, trusted wallet that you are using right now. Don't forget to access huge sign-up bonuses in deposit as offered by ByBit. You will get that when you use my link, which is below the description of this video. You see, with the AI revolution, one thing that you can always use to make money is video marketing. This is why you need to start your YouTube channel. You will see how to take advantage of my YouTube training with the link below the description of this video. Also, you need to watch the next video. You'll be able to discover 11 apps that offers huge sign-up bonuses just for signing up. Ensure you watch this video. Another thing that is free that you need to do for me is this. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.